Hello students, how are you all? I hope you have all have enjoyed your holidays very well. And so students, now your holidays are over and again we have to start with our studies. Okay, just due to this COVID-19 we are not able to restart our school. That's why we have conducted these online classes. So do make sure you watched all the videos uploaded by all your teachers of all subjects daily. Okay, so students, till today we have not started with our general knowledge or GK of class 5. So today I am again here with you all to start with your new, sorry, not with your new, with your uh, subject GK, that is general knowledge, and this is your book that as you can see on the screen, Britannica Learning Know for Sure General Knowledge Class 5. Okay, so I hope you have all purchased the book. So those who have not purchased the book till today, please I request you all, kindly purchase your books as soon as possible, because till our school is restarted we have to study like this only. So just make sure you must purchase all your books and do your work very prominently and daily basis. Otherwise beta, you are going to face a very big problem if you think that you will do all the work at the last. Okay, so anyhow, so this is our book that most of you have already purchased. Okay, so now author is Siddharth Basu. Okay, so first of all I am going to just discuss about the contents that we are having in this our book. Here the first unit is the natural world. Okay, so in this all natural worlds of animals, birds are given, and nature is given, and we are going to discuss about that, and then science and technology, and then so on. Okay, so there are various units in your GK books, and today we are going to start with the natural world first of all. Okay, so beta, as you can all can see, the first exercise, sorry, the first unit is the natural world. Okay, so here today we are going to start with the first unit, this natural world. The natural world, first your first page is page number 8. Okay, so let's start with page number 8, that is wonder birds. Okay, so let's see what is in this book. Okay, this is your, yes, this is your wonder birds. This is your first chapter of first unit or first page of first unit, that is wonder birds. Okay, so in this let's read out what we have to do. Birds have some very quickly features. Guess the name of the birds using the clues given. Okay, so they have given us some clues and we have to use those clues for finding the name of the birds. ठीक है, हमें कुछ क्लूज दिए हुए हैं बेटा उन्होंने ऑलरेडी, एंड हमें वो क्लूज यूज़ करके हमें बर्ड्स के नेम गैस करने हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन. These birds are okay, the first one is, these birds are distinguished by their large, brightly colored, triangular beaks. This has led some to dub them the bottlenose or sea parrot. They are excellent swimmers who use their wings to stroke underwater with a flying motion. ओके, सो देखिए इसमें फर्स्ट में क्या दिया हुआ है कि ये जिन बर्ड का इन्होंने क्लू दिया है, दो आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिटन द सम आंसर्स एंड आई होप फ्रॉम द नेक्स्ट वीडियो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू राइट द आंसर्स. ओके, सो देखिए इसमें फर्स्ट में क्या लिखा हुआ है कि जो ये बर्ड्स हैं, जिसकी उसकी पिक्चर भी बेटा उसके सामने आपको मेंशन की हुई है कि इन दिस, ये जो बर्ड्स होते हैं व्हाट दे आर, ये ब्राइटली कलर्स होते हैं और इनकी जो बीक्स होती है वो ट्रायंगुलर होती है. मोस्ट ऑफ द बर्ड्स दे हैव ट्रायंगुलर बीक्स. ओके, एंड इसकी जो स्पेशलिटी एक्सेप्शन फ्रॉम अदर बर्ड्स इज दैट दे हैव बॉटल नोज और सी पैरेट. इनको सी पैरेट और बॉटल नोज भी कहा जाता है. दे आर एक्सीलेंट स्विमर्स हु यूज देयर विंग्स टू स्ट्रोक अंडर वाटर विद अ फ्लाइंग मोशन. और ये इतने एक्सीलेंट स्विमर्स होते हैं कि ये पानी के नीचे अपने विंग्स की हेल्प से पानी को बहुत तेज़, जैसे हमने आपने कभी किसी को स्विमिंग करते हुए देखा होगा, दैट दे स्विम वेरी फास्ट, दैट दे स्ट्रोक द वाटर बैकवर्ड. This is swimming. During swimming, I think most of you have already done the swimming also. So in swimming, what they do is they stroke the water backwards. Like same like this, these birds जो होते हैं, these birds use their wings to stroke the water. और ये बहुत अच्छे swimmers होते हैं. Okay, so what are these? These are puffins. These are puffins. 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 These are puffins. Okay, so इसकी दो दिन स्पेशलिटी है. वी आर गोइंग टू जस्ट रिवाइज इट अगेन so that if these some clues are given, you can easily guess the name of the birds. That first one is they are brightly colored. Most of the birds are the brightly colors. Okay, the first thing is they have bottle nose. इनको बॉटल नोज एंड सी पैरेट्स, ये टू क्लूज हैं हमारे पास, बॉटल नोज एंड सी पैरेट्स, इनको ये कहा जाता है. एंड द सेकंड, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज दैट दे आर द वेरी गुड स्विमर्स. ओके, आप मोस्टली बर्ड्स दे आर नॉट द गुड स्विमर्स एक्सेप्ट सम, बट ये these birds puffins are the very good swimmers and they stroke the water with the help of their wings. Okay, like in your flying motion. Okay, so what are the name of these birds? They are puffins. 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 Okay, as you can see the picture also, it is given there, puffins. Okay, now moving next. So I hope you have written puffins, and make sure you write the every word neat and clean. Your U, F and all things should not be like the, मतलब कई बच्चे I, E सब एक जैसे लिखते हैं. Okay, so now moving next. Second, these large birds use their large elastic pouches to catch fish. Okay, most species form a line or a U shape and dive fish and into shallow water by beating their wings on the surface, which fish, when fish get too shallow, they simply scoop them up. Okay, I think these I think आपने शायद भी किसी ने नेशनल ज्योग्राफी, most of you have seen, because I have seen lots of videos on these birds, pelicans. पेलिकन्स क्या होता है बेटा, इनकी एक बीक होती है बहुत लंबी, दे हैव लॉन्ग बीक, एंड वैसे नॉर्मली इट इज़ वेरी नॉर्मल, मतलब हैव ए लॉन्ग बीक बट इट इज़ वेरी स्लिम. व्हेन यू सी इट दैट लुक्स वेरी स्लिम, बट जब इन्हें अपना प्रे, दैट मीन्स दे हैव टू कैच देयर प्रे इनटू द वाटर, व्हाट दे डू, दे जस्ट डाइव देयर बीक इनटू द वाटर एंड कैच द फिश. ओके, एंड व्हेन दे कैच द फिश, जो इनकी बीक का द बॉटम पार्ट, दे जेट, मतलब वो फूल जाता है, एंड इट्स काइंड ऑफ पफ की तरह, वो पाउच की तरह बन जाता है, एंड वो उसके अंदर किसी भी अपने प्रे को इजीली कैरी कर सकते हैं. ओके, आई जस्ट शो यू द वन पिक्चर ऑफ दैट सो दैट इट विल बी ईजी फॉर यू, सो दैट यू कैन. ओके, pelicans like this. Okay, as you can see the picture on this, these are pelicans. ओके, ऐसे ही ये अपना फिश अपनी दे ईजली जस्ट पुट देयर बीक इनटू द वाटर, एंड व्हेन दे कैच देयर प्रे, व्हेन मोस्टली दे ईट फिश ओनली, सो व्हाट दे डू, दे जस्ट, एंड लाइक एज यू कैन सी इन दिस पिक्चर दैट अ बिग फिश दे कैन कैरी विद देयर दिस बीक. और वैसे तो ये पतली रहती है, एंड व्हेन दे कैच देम, द बॉटम पार्ट ऑफ देयर बीक दे गेट शैलो, एंड जब उसमें फ़िश फंस जाती है, देन दे कैन ईज़िली अपना जो हेड है वो उसको ऊपर उठा के, एंड दे कैन ईज़िली swallow that fish. So these are called pelicans. Okay, I hope you understood with the picture. I think it is very much clear to you all that these are the pelicans. Okay. Okay, so as I have shown you in the picture that those are pelicans. So इसका आपको समझ में आया U shape कैसे, that become the U shape, that they easily the large birds elastic pouches that elastic means that आपने elastic देखा होगा that you have having most of the in your garments you are having your elastic ना, कि उसको जितना फैलाओ वो फैल जाता है. So same like this, these kinds of birds they have they have elastic pouches to catch the fish. and कभी वो एक लंबी सी लाइन की, जब अगर पतली चीज़ हो तो लंबी सी लाइन बन जाती है. एंड समटाइम्स दैट swallow like this, and then they dive the fish into this, and then they just अपना head ऊपर उठा के and they can easily swallow that fish. Okay, so these are called pelicans. Pelican. Pelican. They are called pelican. 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 Okay, understood? These are pelican. Okay, so now moving next. Next is the third is, these birds are found in the American tropical forests. Their oversized, colorful bills can be 1/3 of their total length. ये जो birds होते हैं American tropical forest में, they are mostly found in American tropical forest, and their oversized, colorful bills can be 1/3 of their total length. Bills means जो birds होती हैं जिससे वो अपना प्रे कैच करती है. प्रे मीन जिससे वो अपना शिकार पकड़ती हैं. बिल्स आर द लॉन्ग बीक काइंड ऑफ थिंग, एंड दे आर जस्ट फ्रॉम द फ्रंट दे आर लाइक दिस. उनकी बीक से जो आगे से ऐसे थोड़ी सी टिल्ट होती हैं. सो दीज आर कॉल्ड बिल्स. ओके, सो जो ये बर्ड है जिसके बारे में ये हिंट दे रहे हैं, ये अमेरिकन ट्रॉपिकल फॉरेस्ट में मिलती है. ओके, और ये देयर ओवर साइज कलरफुल बिल्स कैन बी 1/3 ऑफ देयर टोटल लेंथ. और जो इनकी बिल्स होती हैं, जो इस काइंड ऑफ यू कैन सी देयर बीक्स काइंड ऑफ, वो इनके जो वेट होता है उसका भी 1/3 पार्ट होती हैं. सॉरी, जो उनकी टोटल लेंथ उस बर्ड की लेंथ से उसका 1/3 पार्ट क्या होती है, उनकी बिल्स, जो उनकी बीक होती है, जो उसकी चोंच होती है. ओके, उनकी चोंच आगे से थोड़ी सी ऐसी होती है ताकि वो उससे अपना प्रे कैच कर सके. ओके, सो जो इनकी बिल्स होती हैं वो इन 1/3 होती हैं इनकी टोटल लेंथ से. The birds use them to reach fruits on branches and that are too small to support their weight. तो वो क्या करती हैं, the bills that are structured like this, वो उससे किसी भी on any fruit or any branch, if they want any fruit or they want to hang on any branch, so they use their beak. वो अपनी beak से ऐसे उस पर they just put their beak on that, एंड उससे ईजिली उसके ऊपर हंग, दैट मीन उसके ऊपर झूल सकती हैं. सो अगर उनको किसी भी फ्रूट को पकड़ना है या किसी भी ब्रांच के ऊपर उनको बैठना है, सो दे यूज़ देयर दिस कलरफुल बिल्स एंड दे कैन ईजिली रीच टू द फ्रूट्स और द ब्रांचेस दे वांटेड टू. ओके, आई विल जस्ट शो यू वन मोर पिक्चर ऑफ दैट सो दैट इज क्लियर टू यू ऑल. येस, दिस इज दिस. ओके, so as you can see in this also picture, token. Okay, so these are toucan. 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 Toucans. Toucan, not cans. Toucan. Okay, so this is the picture of toucan. Okay, देखिए, दे हैव, एज यू कैन सी, इनकी जो इनकी बीक है उसकी लेंथ उसके टोटल लेंथ का 1/3 पार्ट होती है. मतलब नियर अबाउट हाफ, मोर देन हाफ उनके जो टोटल लेंथ है. अगर सपोज द बर्ड इज ऑफ 2 सेंटीमीटर, देन दिस बीक इज ऑफ 1 सेंटीमीटर. आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जाम्पल. This is not true that the bird is only of 2 centimeter. No bird can be of 2 centimeter. Suppose the bird is of 15 centimeter, and then his beak is near about 13 to 8 to 9 centimeter. Okay, so these are toucan. जो इनकी bills होते हैं, they are very colorful, they are very attractive. Okay, and they use only these beaks to prey on the fruits, to carry their prey, or to carry their fruits, or to click on their fruits or whatever. Okay, जिस भी किसी पेड़ में या किसी भी फ्रूट को अगर इनको चाहिए होता है, so then they use these their colorful bills. Okay, so these are toucan. Okay class, so the answer of the third blank is toucan. 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 Okay, so these are toucan. Okay, now moving next to the fourth one. Okay, the next clue for the next bird is, these long-necked large birds are tall and live in the fresh water or wetlands and swamps. Okay, they can be identified by their long legs, brightly colored feathers, less heads, and prominent bills. Okay, so the clues for this bird is that they have a long leg, and these are large birds, and they have long neck. उनका neck है जो they are very long, and live in fresh water or wetlands or swamps. ये fresh water या जहाँ पे मतलब गीले मैदानों में ऐसी जगहों पे रहती हैं ये. They can be identified by their long legs, and they have long legs, brightly colored featherless head. और इनका जो head है, they are मतलब उन पे feather नहीं होते, they don't have feather. Featherless means those who don't have feather. Feather means पंख टाइप kind of, मतलब kind of नहीं, पंख को हम feathers बोलते हैं. So उनके जो सिर है उनके ऊपर कोई feather या किसी तरह का पंख नहीं होता. Okay, and और जो उनका head होता है, they are very brightly colored and prominent bills. Bills again, that beak, long bills, they are called bills, not beak. We call them beak होती छोटी जो होती है. Okay, the bills are the long ones. Okay, so the clue for this one is long neck large bird, long neck, second one. Third one is they live in fresh water and wetlands. Okay, they can be identified by the long legs, brightly colored. The most important one is brightly colored featherless head, मतलब बिना पंख वाला brightly colored वाला उनका head है, and prominent bills. They have prominent bills also. So what are they? They are stark. They are stark. 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 They are stark. Okay. They are stark. Okay, I'll just show you. Just wait. This is a stark. Okay, as you can see, they are having long necks. This is a large bird. Okay, and they are also having a long neck. They have prominent bill. Okay, and long leg, and they, as you can see, that they are not having any kind of feathers on their head, but the head is colorful, na, that you can see here, that they are black and white kind of. Okay, and they are stark. Okay, they are called stark. These are starks. So now the answer of the fourth question is stark. Okay, so these are the 4 clues for the 4 birds in your page number 8, Wonder Birds. वंडर बर्ड्स दैट मीन्स कि कुछ अलग बाकी बर्ड्स से जो होते, दोज आर कॉल्ड वंडर बर्ड्स. Okay, so now we are going to revise it one more time so that you can easily get the clue how to find out the birds, what are their names or whatever it is. Okay, so let's start. So here the clues are given. Okay, suppose अगर आपको clue दिया है that you have to name a bird that you can that is also called as bottlenose and sea parrot, and they are excellent swimmers, and they use their wings to stroke water with a flying motion. The most important thing for this puffins is that they are excellent swimmers and they stroke water with the help of their wings. Okay, and they are, and second one is bottlenose and sea parrot. इनको sea parrot and bottlenose भी कहा जाता है. Okay, so they are puffins. They are puffins. Okay, PUFFINS, puffins. Now next, second one is, these large birds use their large elastic pouches to catch the fish. Okay, most species form a line or a U shape and drive fish in shallow water by beating their wings on the surface. When fish get to the shallows, they simply scoop them up. So that means इनकी क्या क्या हमारे पास that clues हैं, that they have elastic pouches. Okay, to catch the fish. These birds have elastic pouches to catch the fish, and that is in U shape or in a line also, and they can catch the fish by they just put their head down, catch the fish, and when the fish come in their mouth or in their bills, they just puff them up. वो खुल जाता है, एक बहुत बड़ा puff बन जाता है, or that U shape or whatever, so that they can swallow a big fish, not like shark and all, but a big fish. Okay, not so as I have shown you in the picture also before. तो उसमें fish carry करके, and then when the fish they carry the fish in their mouth, in their bills, they just scoop their head and just put them in their mouth. Okay, so they can उसके बाद अपना मुंह उठा के, and they can easily just swallow that fish. And what is the name of that bird? That are pelican. Pelican, PELICAN, pelican. Okay, now moving next. These birds are found in American tropical forests. Their oversized colorful bills can be 1/3 of their total length. Yes, this is the most important clue for this bird. इस bird को पहचानने के लिए, this is the most important clue, that they have colorful bills and their length, not their length, the length of their bills is 1/3 of their total length. मतलब the first is that they have colorful bills, and the second is जो वो उनकी bills होती हैं, that they are the 1/3 of their total length. Okay, so and with the help of that bills, they just cling on the, or they just use that bills to reach the fruits and branches. Okay, अगर कोई fruit छोटा है, that they can't sit on that fruit, so what they do, वो just अपना beak उसमें घुसा के उसमें hang करती हैं एक तरह से, and they just eat that fruit, or if they want to sit on branch that जिसमें वो छोटी सी branch है, that they are not able to adjust, so they just use their bills and then cling that fruit or that branch, and they just sit on that or just eat it, whatever. Okay, if there is fruit. So what is the name of that bird? That is toucan. Toucan, 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 toucan. Okay, now moving next. The next one is, these long-necked large birds are tall and live in the fresh water or wetlands. Sorry, live in the fresh water or wetlands and swamps. They can be identified by their long legs, brightly colored featherless heads and prominent bills. Okay, so in birds के clues क्या हैं? Important clues are that first thing is they have long neck. Okay, not long leg because most of the birds they have long leg. So large birds they mostly have long necks. So the first important clue is that they live in wetlands and the fresh water. मतलब वो गीली जगह पे रहते, दे डोंट लिव ऑन द सैंड और जहाँ सूखे, डोंट लिव ऑन द नॉर्मल प्लेन्स. ओके, wetlands and fresh water they used to live there, and they have the second most important clue for them is that they have colorful brightly colored heads but without feather. Featherless brightly colored head. Okay, and prominent bills, and bills are also not prominent as normal they mostly the large birds have. So their name is stark, 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 stark. Okay, so the answer of the first one is puffins, puffins. I'm just repeating it again one more time. Puffins, puffins, puffins. Pelican, pelican, pelican. Toucan, toucan, toucan. Stark, 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 stark. Okay, so these are the 4 birds that they have given clue. Okay, so and below this beta we are having some birds also, and their pictures are given, and you just have to find out. Name these birds, look at the help box for answers. Okay, now I'm just going to give you a short assignment on this. Okay, now beta, if ever I have given you any kind of assignment, what you have to do is that you have to write it down on a separate notebook for GK. That means you have to prepare a separate notebook for GK, and you are going to write all the assignments on that only, whatever I give you. Okay, so अब आपने सबने क्या करना है, एक assignment के लिए copy लगानी है अलग से notebook that you have to purchase, and or if you are having already any notebook, so that you have to use, that should be 1 line only because you are in class 5. Okay, and if possible you can paste pictures also. If possible, I am not telling you that you have to do it only. If possible, because I know there are some, due to some this national epidemic disease, some are not able to get all the pictures, whatever it is, but okay, just leave it. Okay, if possible then you can use it. If you are having printers at your homes, then you can get that pictures from there only, and if you can, then you can easily just paste those pictures. Okay, so as you can see there are 4 birds. Okay, the first one look like a parrot, then it's like a different 4 birds. Okay, so they, okay, and in the below there is a helping box. Okay, so the first in the helping box, the first is rhea, 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 then albatross, kookaburra and macaw. 4 birds are already given. Okay, no doubt this is already solved, but what you have to do is आपको इन चारों birds की आप online जाइए, Google पे जाइए and just put their names on the Google. Okay, just first of all, just first is the macaw bird, so just write down the macaw bird on Google, and there will be a Wikipedia that gives you information about the macaw bird, and you have to write at least 4 to 5 lines about that macaw from that. ओके आपने क्या करना है, गूगल पे जाइए, बर्ड का नाम लिखिए, दीज 4 बर्ड्स, एंड वट एवर द इन्फॉर्मेशन इज गिवन अबाउट दोज बर्ड्स, और उसको आप 4 लाइन्स में और 4 पॉइंट्स बना के दैट यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. एट द टॉप यू विल राइट द नेम ऑफ द बर्ड, and then you will write their features or characteristics, whatever it is. Okay, so in this kind you will prepare your assignments. Okay, so I'll just give you a short note for this. Okay, the first one is macaw. This looks like a parrot, and what is the difference between the normal parrots and the macaw? The normal parrots, they are mostly in green color. This macaw is in colorful. They look colorful. They are they are also kind of that you can see, you can say that they belong to the family of parrots only. Okay. Then next is Ria. इसको हम शुतुरमुर्ग, I think most of you. So these are the 4 birds, different names, and you have to find the information regarding these from the Google itself. Okay, so this is your assignment. Okay, so just make sure you do all your work very neatly and prominently, and do it on time only. Okay, just don't leave it for tomorrow or another day. Okay, class. So till then, be safe everybody. Good day.